Ndagika nini thutha wa itua ria cirithania igoti rinene kweheria itua riria rirarugametie kwihitithio gwa Profesa KITHURE Kindiki ta munini wa president. Mawakiri ya munini wa president MUHAGURE RIGATHI Gachagua matina ria maregu na ni maikirie ihoya makienda igoti rithingate kurugamio kwihitithio gwa Kindiki kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 niguo mahande cira igoti-ini ria gucokia cira riko. Mawakiri aya merire igoti ati Profesa Kindiki ndakinyanirie ikiro cia gukorwo ari munini wa president na ningi NDAHETUKITIO ni kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IBC ta uria mutaratara ubatie. Makiuga ati maya nimo maundu maria mangienda kuhuthira cira-ini wao thiini wa igoti ria gucokia cira riko mangiheo mweke ucio.
A vacancy is contemplated, and actually a vacancy of 74 days, within which due process ought to be initiated to ensure that a rightful person, fully qualified, fully known in law, fully appreciated by the law, takes over office.
Hamwe na uguo mawakiri aya maugite ati angikorwo cira wa Gachagua ni uguthii na mbere na guthikiririo Kindiki arikitie kwihitithio rigukorwo riri itua ritagukorwo rithingatite kihoto miena yeri.
We are inviting you kindly to exercise your discretion so that we may have that application processed before the appellate court if it is found of merit, so that we don't have to have it as an academic exercise. Thank you.
Allow us to move the Court of Appeal appropriately so that it can give the necessary orders as relates to that, even if it means correcting what we believe to be the wrong finding of the court.
Mawakiri ya mwena wa bunge na thirikari ni mareganire na ihoya riri makinyiriria ati itua riria rikuheanitwo hau gabere ni igoti ria gucokia cira riko na riarega kurugamia kwihitithio gwa Kindiki ni kuonania ati igoti rinene ritingithie mugaru na igoti ria gucokia cira riko.
The reason why conservatory orders cannot be continue is a heavy public interest reason of the need for the vacancy for there to be no vacancy in the office of deputy president, and the constitution does not anticipate that.
Ningi mawakiri aya maugite ati itua ria cirithania ya tatu ritingigaruranio hau na ningi makauga ati kiuria kigie kana Kindiki ni ahetokirio ni IBC kingiarehetwo igoti-ini tene kuringithania na riria amurirwo ni president.
Those were issues that we were on our feet for 30 minutes arguing about the role of IBC and what needs to happen. So already the court has made a decision on that, and likely the answer will be in the ruling that the court has already read.
For him to just spring up now and start raising issues concerning Professor Kindiki is just but a mockery of the justice system.
Thutha wa mieneno yeri kuheana mirugamo yao, muthia igoti ni riheanire itua riria rihanire ta rihurire mucumari wa muthia mutaratara-ini wa kuhagura Gachagua na kuhingura mweke wa kwihitithio gwa Professor Kindiki.
Since the Court of Appeal is already seized of the matter, as we have confirmed from both sides rather, the parties have an opportunity to move the Court of Appeal accordingly. As such, the applications are all hereby disallowed.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.